So I want to talk about this outline. The title is The Danger of Acting Now. I mean, I talked with some of my friends about how to title it, and some people, why don't you put the importance of it? But I like the whole idea about the danger, because there are things that we do that we should do because they're right, and people may tell us not to do them, and there may be consequences, but we should still do them in full awareness of that. So I thought danger was the more appropriate title. My department, very diverse department for biomedical engineers, right? We pride ourselves on that, but there's 2.25% of the faculty in my department are black. I say a quarter because one person is 25% assigned to BME, 75% ME. It's a whole person, but just split up differently. And I cannot tell you how many weddings I go to where I am the only black person there. And that's, of course, especially if the +1 that I bring is not black, okay? And because these are good friends of mine, I then go up to them and say, so am I your only black friend? But I went off to visit Morehouse College. Last school I visited, I had gotten a Johns Hopkins RPI because I was going to do biomedical engineering. And I walked on Morehouse's campus, and to see all of those black men dressed up, talking to each other, being respectful, going to school, it was something I had never seen before. For those that don't know, Morehouse is all black and it's all male, okay? Only school in the country like that. And I said, I have got to be here. Because in my AP class at my high school was the black guy and the black girl. There were other black people at the school, but in my class, the black guy, the black girl, right? But here, all these brothers are smart. And it also became quite humbling because I was not the smartest person in my classes. There are black men out there smarter than me, way smarter than me. Now, I was killing it in calculus, so that's why I'm here doing engineering to this day. And again, I love this man, clearly you could imagine, but change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. Do it now and start making that impact now. And that leads to us starting Project Engages. This has been such an amazing experience to do. Pull farther back up in the pipeline. We all talk about this pipeline, go back farther. Go to middle school, go to nursery schools, whatever you need to do to start chugging that pipeline. Don't scare them away from science. We get excitable about things, and I am still a giant. And then again, I love our Engages students. From Engages, we got a student got to go to the White House. I got to get a tour of the West Wing because of one of my high school students. Reach back and pull someone else up, but what's important, I think, to keep minority students engaged is you have to celebrate them being themselves. If they feel they have to change to fit in or be something else, you lose creativity, you lose what they can offer you, and you make them wonder if they belong in this environment. So I love this quote: diversity is being invited to the party, inclusion is being asked to dance, and transformation is being allowed to dance to your own beat. So if you do the set theory, if you want to say all lives matter, for all lives matter to be true, each of those individual subgroups must also be true. So if you want to say all lives matter, black lives must matter, Korean lives must matter, Puerto Rican lives must matter, gay lives must matter. So as engineers, spread that word. It's a mathematical proof, right? So we don't have to fight about it.